Hi, the travelers companies or group is compared Ana María, Nicole Rodriguez, Carolina Sepúlveda. The travelers companies is one of the largest insurance groups in the USA. In also the two largest writers in the USA, the company works through the different agents and the third largest when it comes to personal insurance writing. The company provides risk management service and insurance plans.
The company has a huge customer base with target towards common people, individuals, families, and even other government agencies.
Exchange. The principal exchange domestic market, easy financial transactions, strong brand name and stronger financial rating, a long history of customer satisfaction, connection with other industries is strangers, and others is a global presence in various countries, a long history of customer satisfaction.
The weaknesses. Besides being a strong insurer rate, the company still has a few weaknesses such as high risk of business because of high dependence on the US market. The company has a less global market share with more presence in the global market. The global shares will increase. No strong presence in the UK and limits brand awareness and brand pressures in the UK. Low investments in the global markets. The company must look for the better marketing solution in the countries outside of the USA.
The opportunity, growth rate and profitability, new market, growing demand, new acquisition, venture capital, global market. More people are looking for casualty and property insurance.
Threats. Change is the federal incomes tax laws can hurt the revenue but economy of the USA, and threats from the competition such as limited can. The Travelers Company is one of the largest insurance providers in the USA.
The principal competitor is Marsh McLennan Companies. It's a global professional service firm headquartered in New York City, with business in insurance, brokerage, risk management, reinsurance service, talent management, investing, advisory, and management consulting.
SWOT analysis.
Strength, skilled for workforce, existing distribution and sales networks, high growth rate, barriers of market entry, monetary assistance, project, domestic market.
Weaknesses. Future cost structure.
Opportunities, growing demand, growing economy, global markets, new markets, growing rates, and probability.
Threats. Price change, increasing rates of interest.
Thank you for everyone for your attention.